Did you know that almost 30% of lower-income households in the U.S. live paycheck to paycheck, spending almost everything just to cover basics? With rising costs and tight wages, saving money can feel impossible. But it doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'll share 8 simple ways to save money on a low income that anyone can start using right away. These practical tips will help you expand your money further, build savings, and take control of your finances. So let's dive in. 1. Use the 50/30/20 budgeting rule. One of the easiest ways to manage your money and start saving is to follow the 50/30/20 rule. This rule helps you divide your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. First, cover your needs such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are the expenses you can't live without, and they should make up half of your income. Next, allocate 30% to your wants. This category includes things like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. It's important to allow yourself some room for enjoyment, but keep it in check so it doesn't take over your budget. The last portion, 20%, should go towards savings. Even if you can only put aside a small amount each month, saving consistently is key. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account can make this process easier and more consistent. By sticking to this simple rule, you'll be able to prioritize your spending and ensure that you're saving for the future while still enjoying life today. 2. Pay off debt first. When you're trying to save money, it's crucial to pay off debt first. Debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards, can quickly eat away at your finances. The longer you let it sit there, the more interest you pay, which means you're losing money that could be better used elsewhere. For example, imagine you have a debt of $1,000 with an interest rate of 14%. If you're only paying off the minimum balance, you'll end up paying a lot more than $1,000 by the time it's fully paid off. In fact, the interest alone could end up costing you hundreds of extra pounds over time. That's why it's important to focus on clearing debt before saving. Once you've cleared your high-interest debts, you'll have more money available to save and invest. Paying off debt can take time, but it's a crucial step toward financial freedom. If you're finding it difficult to pay off your debt, consider creating a debt repayment plan or seeking professional advice to help you get back on track. 3. Manage bills and expenses. Managing your monthly bills is one of the most effective ways to save money on a low income. The first step is to negotiate your bills to ensure you're getting the best rates possible. For example, you could call your internet, energy, or phone provider and ask for a better deal. Companies are often willing to offer discounts to keep you as a customer. It's worth asking about loyalty discounts or new customer promotions that might apply to you. Another way to save on your bills is to switch providers if a better deal is available. Many providers offer incentives to switch, such as cash bonuses or reduced monthly payments for the first few months. But even if you're happy with your current provider, it's still a good idea to check your options every so often to make sure you're getting the best deal. Reducing energy usage is another way to cut costs. You can save money by using energy-efficient appliances, switching to LED light bulbs, and turning off electronics when not in use. By making these small changes, you can lower your monthly bills and have more money available for savings. 4. Save on utilities. Saving on utilities is an area where many people overlook potential savings. You don't have to sacrifice comfort, but making a few smart choices can add up over time. Start by investing in energy-efficient appliances. Appliances with high energy efficiency ratings use less electricity, which lowers your energy bills. You can also be more mindful of your energy usage by turning off lights when you leave a room or unplugging electronics that are not in use. Smart thermostats are a great investment for saving money on heating and cooling costs. These devices adjust the temperature based on your daily routines, helping you use energy only when needed. Over time, the money you save on utilities can add up, and you'll notice a difference in your monthly bills. Additionally, consider reducing water usage. Simple steps like shorter showers, turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth, and fixing leaky faucets can save water and money. By adopting these habits, you'll reduce your utility bills and keep more money in your pocket. 5. Smart grocery shopping. Grocery shopping is an area where many people can save money without sacrificing the quality of their meals. Meal planning is a great way to reduce grocery costs. By planning your meals ahead of time, you'll know exactly what to buy, reducing the chances of buying unnecessary items. You can also create a shopping list based on your meal plan, which helps keep you focused on what you actually need. Another tip is to hunt for deals and discounts. Many supermarkets offer promotions, discounts, and sales on items you regularly buy. Use coupons, look for cashback offers, or take advantage of loyalty programs to save even more. Buying in bulk is another way to save money on groceries. Non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and canned goods are often cheaper when purchased in bulk. Additionally, try to shop seasonally. Fruits and vegetables that are in season tend to be cheaper and fresher. Avoid shopping when you're hungry, as this can lead to impulse buying. By being mindful and strategic with your grocery shopping, you can stretch your budget without sacrificing nutrition or variety. 6. Affordable transportation. Transportation costs are another area where you can save money. If you drive, carpooling is a great way to save on gas and car maintenance. By sharing rides with friends, neighbors, or colleagues, you can split the costs and reduce your monthly expenses. If carpooling isn't an option, consider using public transportation. Most cities offer affordable monthly passes for regular commuters, which can save you money compared to driving every day. Another great option is cycling. It's not only cost-effective, but it also keeps you healthy. Using a bike for short trips or commuting is an excellent way to cut transportation costs. If you do need to drive, try to reduce the frequency of trips to save on fuel and maintenance. Maintaining your vehicle properly can also save you money in the long run. Regular maintenance, like changing the oil and rotating the tires, helps extend the life of your car, preventing costly repairs down the road. 7. Track your spending. One of the most powerful tools for managing your money is tracking your spending. Budgeting apps like Monzo can help you keep track of every penny. These apps categorize your spending so you can see exactly where your money is going. You can even create separate pots or accounts for savings and specific expenses. By having a clear view of your finances, you'll be able to see areas where you might be overspending and take steps to cut back. Tracking your spending also helps you identify impulse purchases, those little items you buy on a whim that add up over time. Once you're aware of your spending patterns, you can set goals for where you want to allocate your money, such as savings or paying down debt. Having this level of control over your finances can help you make smarter decisions and save more. 8. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic financial goals is essential for managing money on a low income. Start by identifying what you want to achieve with your savings, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a vacation. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you wanted to save $1,000, start by setting a goal of saving $100 per month. This makes the goal feel more achievable and helps you stay on track. Be sure to revisit your goals regularly to see how you're doing and adjust them if necessary. It's also important to celebrate small milestones along the way. For instance, once you've saved your first $200, reward yourself with something small but meaningful. By setting clear and achievable goals, you'll feel more motivated and confident about your financial journey. Saving money on a low income can feel difficult at first, but with the right strategies in place, you can make the most of your finances and start building a more secure financial future. Whether it's using the 50/30/20 budgeting rule, paying off debt first, or finding affordable transportation options, there are many ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. By implementing these 8 simple ways to save money, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your goals, no matter how small your income may be. Remember, saving money is a gradual process, and every small step counts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical financial advice. Also, leave a comment below to share which money-saving tip you're going to try first. Let's continue working towards financial freedom together.